Hello guys, this is Saiful Islam. Welcome back to new tutorial series C programming. I hope that everybody will enjoy this tutorial series because in this tutorial series I'm going to share my knowledge and who are beginner they will benefit it. Okay, let's get started. What is programming? Before we start programming, we should know what is programming. Programming is a process of creating a set of instructions that tell a computer how to perform a task. Okay, it's very simple. Programming is a process. Programming is a process of creating a set of instructions. Okay. Programming is a process of creating set of instruction. That means a set of instruction process that tell a computer how to perform a task. Okay, it's very simple. What is programming language? A programming language is a computer language. Programmer used to develop software programs, scripts or other sets of instruction for computer to execute. There are a variety of computer programming languages such as C, Java, Python, C++, etc. Without programming language, we can't develop any software or anything. Okay, nowadays programming languages are really using in our computer for our developed software, computer devices and the mobile devices. Like you will be understand when you will see the mobile apps, the computer softwares, all of things. It's created by the programming language. There are different languages they use for different section. Okay. Which programming language is best for beginner? I always prefer programming C. Programming in C is the best for beginner because it's very easy to learn and its structure is really nice, very simple. Every programmer they know programming in C. That's why we can say that programming C is the mother language for all of programming. Okay, and it's very simple. It's really very simple. The structure of programming C. The structure of programming C is very easy to understand. Okay, it has a header section and it has a body section. In the header section, we will include all header file. Okay, and the body section will write our own code. Then it will execute. Thank you very much for the introduction of programming C. Hope everybody will enjoy this tutorial series and always stay with me. Thank you very much.